Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with PerkiPerkins. Today I'm really excited because today I'll be partnering once more with OIA Skin. I'm really excited because I'll be able to share with you guys their new and improved Anti-Wrinkle Patches 2.0. These new patches are stated to be thicker, longer lasting, and still giving you the same amazing results. Have a much thicker silicone material, which is actually going to help give you better results, and it will also last much longer. So before, you can use them for up to 15 times as long as you cared for them properly. Now you're basically able to double that and store them for up to 30 days. So make sure you guys keep on watching as I will be demonstrating how you apply the patches and my results after several hours of having the patches on. And let's go, you guys. So just like last time, all the patches come in this really nice pouch, which is resealable. And this way you don't have to worry about finding a special place for your patches, or just, or another tray basically. On the back of the pouch, it actually tells you how to apply the patches, clean and dry skin, and if you want to use skincare beforehand, make sure your skincare is fully dry. This way your patches are going to adhere to your skin. So for myself, I've already done my cleansing for today, and I did do a little bit of light moisturizer. What's really nice about this kit is that it comes with everything you would need from basically your chest up, you guys. I have the most fine lines and wrinkles on my smile lines, dimples, and my forehead actually. So as I mentioned, everything comes inside the pouch for you guys. They actually sent them in individual pouches, which is really nice. Oh, so cool. So once you're done using the patches, you want to clean them with just water, and you stick them back onto here. This is amazing. And they sent you 2 of them, so it gives you more than enough space to sort everything out. The really nice thing about the patches is you can easily either do them as part of your evening skincare routine and actually put them on and go to sleep with them. And from my experience last time, I had very minimal issues with them falling off. Or you can do them during the daytime and use them for at least a minimum of an hour. This way it actually helps, do that suction chamber like I was kind of showing you guys last time. And it actually does the proper penetration, and it moves and circulates your blood. So this way it actually gives you more of that plumpness that you're looking for. But again, minimum you want is 1 hour. This way you see some results. So let's start off with my chest piece. And again, this is a medical grade silicone. This actually makes it so much more easier for the application. And I can tell, again, it feels a little bit more flexible, like it's easier for me to move it, but it definitely feels thicker, so that's very neat. This is so neat. So next, I'm going to do my neck. That's what I learned from last time, is go from the bottom up. This way I can still talk. And again, right in the middle, it has the separation. That was way easier than last time for sure. Forehead patch. So I try to get it as close to the inner corner of my under eye and out. And before I put this on, just so you guys know, I'm going to leave everything on for at least an hour. Once I'm done with cooking dinner, I'm going to come back. It's going to take me at least an hour, but I'm going to come back and show you what the results are. And again, you guys, that's one of the nice things about these patches that I also remember from last time. I was able to apply them and go about my day at home, do what I need to get done, and you know, not worry about them falling. So right now my patches are done. Now it is currently about 6:40, so I will be back here about 7:30, 7:45 to show you guys the results, and again, I'll see you back in just a moment. Alright everyone, and I'm back, and at this point it's been nearly 2 hours actually. And I have to say, these patches didn't really move that much as I thought they would move. Now that I've had these patches on for a while, and you know, I was mobile, doing things around, I'm realizing how much more comfortable these patches were, because even though it's still considered a thicker silicone, these patches are a lot more flexible and they're able to move more and easier with my facial expressions. And I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit to show you. So now for the moment of truth, you guys, let's take off these patches and see how my results are. Wow. I'm just in awe right now of how it feels really nice. Basically, it's very supple, very plump, and it feels so nice. And a few of the things that I noticed that was different from the originals, besides the fact that even though it's thicker, it's more flexible, therefore it was more movable with my facial expressions. But the pieces were actually cut a little bit different, where like my under eye area was able to move better, my jawline basically. These were cut a little bit better in a sense. They stayed put very well, and my skin looks so glowy and dewy, and I really like it. The forehead wrinkle that I typically have right here in the middle is definitely gone down. Again, this area right here feels so much more nicer and plump, and my jawline feels really nice. It didn't disrupt any of my acne or cause any irritation, which is great as well. I highly recommend you guys checking out the OIA's Skin Anti-Wrinkle Patches. These are so versatile where you can really fit them in anywhere. I'm really loving the results of how well these work even during the day when you're mobile and you're busy, you know, and have so many things going on. Let's say you only need a certain section. They have different patches available. And they're pretty affordable in my opinion. Like, and they're always running some kind of deals as well, which actually, speaking of deals, I was given a 10% off discount code, which I don't make any commission off of that. It's just a discount code for you guys. If you would like to use it, I will have the discount code and link down in the description for you guys to check it out. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my try on and seeing how the patches work on me and seeing my results. Again, for me, I definitely feel that my skin's so much more plump and supple, and it's definitely helped smooth out several areas on my face and my neck, which I think these patches would be amazing for any of my subscribers and friends. But thank you all so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to take care, be safe, and I will catch you guys on the next one.